In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Freshsales AI features. Freshsales includes Freddy AI, an assistant designed to help sales teams automate routine work, prioritize deals, generate emails, and uncover useful sales insights. Before you begin, it's important to know that AI features can vary depending on your Freshsales plan. Free plans offer limited AI access, Growth includes basic AI, Pro unlocks more Freddy features, and Enterprise typically gives you the fullest AI capabilities, especially if the Freddy Copilot add-on is enabled. Start by logging into your Freshsales account. Once you're inside, go to Admin Settings, then open Account Settings, and click on Freddy. This is where you manage the available AI tools. Make sure the AI features you want are turned on. Common options include AI Email Writer, Deal Insights, Lead Scoring, Conversation Intelligence, and AI Recommendations. After enabling them, save your changes so everything is active. Next, go to Deals and open any deal record. If deal insights are available in your account, Freddy may show predictions such as high chance to close, at risk, needs follow-up, stalled, or likely to win. These insights are based on sales activity, engagement history, and previous deal data, so they become more useful as your CRM grows. Click on Freddy AI Insights to check what's available for that deal. If you don't see any insights yet, that usually means Freddy doesn't have enough CRM data to work with. This often happens when there are not enough deals, not enough closed-won deals. Limited activity like calls, emails, meetings, tasks, notes, or stage changes, or when the AI model is still training after new data has been added. Now let's look at AI email generation. Go to Emails and enter a subject line. In this example, use CRM Demo. Then click Generate with Freddy. This feature helps create subject lines and message drafts based on your prompt. Click Generate Subject, review the options, choose the one that fits best, and click Use Subject. Next, enter your prompt for the email body. In this example, type, "Introduce our CRM to a manufacturing company and request a demo." Click Generate with Freddy again, then choose Generate Email. You can select the style you want, such as formal, casual, humorous, catchy, or urgent. In this example, choose Formal, then click Use Email. If you want to improve part of the message, highlight the text. Click Generate with Freddy and choose Rephrase Text. Select the tone, such as formal, review the suggested version, and click Replace Text when you find the one you want. Finally, add the recipient's email address and click Send. You can also use Freddy to improve existing emails by rewriting them, making them shorter, expanding them, improving grammar, making them more persuasive, or giving them a friendlier tone. For better AI results, keep your lead and contact data complete, log sales activity consistently, update deal stages on time, and record closed won and closed lost deals accurately. The more quality history your CRM contains, the smarter Freddy becomes. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more.